Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to post a quick video to my Facebook page, to all my friends, affiliate marketers, business owners, anyone who's following me, letting you know about my latest, one of my latest courses, which is Quickstart Automations. Which is a micro-based course predominantly focusing on teaching people how to use a no-code system like Zapier to automate their business tasks. And I kind of break everything down to what you need to know and how I personally have automated around about 80 to 90% of all of my business stuff. I've literally automated all of the tedious things that are taking up so much time every single day, and now that runs without me. So it's actually quite exciting, and this is the page that you'll come to. I'll leave the link below so you can go check it out. But I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of how to automate, so then you can take that, the ideologies that I teach, and apply it to any part of your business. Okay. It's actually really exciting. I'm really excited for everyone, and I'm actually giving that away for $12 during this pre-sale. Now the price will go up every 2 hours from the point this launches. Don't sit out. If you do want the course, go get it, because once you're inside, you'll actually gain access to my to a private portal area, which is my Brainy Automations community area, where you can jump into Quickstart Automations and then you can start going through the training. And within an hour or two, you should be completely done. I keep everything so incredibly focused. And you'll also gain access to the community section of my platform. It's where you can come in here, ask your questions, and, just have someone holding your hand whilst you're learning to automate. Go ahead, go check it out. If you've got any questions about Quickstart Automations, whether you want to become a member or if you want to promote it, anyone who does purchase the course automatically gets approval for affiliate marketing as well if you applied through Warrior Plus. Any questions, drop them below, and I hope to see you inside.